Reliable and portable power is crucial for outdoor adventures and emergencies. The Greasel Portable Power Station is a compact 240-watt solar generator with a 153.6 watt-hours LiFePO4 battery designed for camping, hiking, travel, and backup power. It supports USB-C 100-watt bidirectional fast charging and features 5 output ports with 2 input options to charge multiple devices simultaneously. It's an integrated phone tablet stand and adjustable 360 degrees LED lighting with an SOS mode, adding convenience. Weighing only 4.5 pounds, it fits easily in luggage. Built-in BMS protection ensures safety with overvoltage, short circuit, and overload safeguards, making it a reliable power source for outdoor and emergency use. Efficient and reliable tools are essential for outdoor woodcutting and survival tasks. The Council Tool Craft Pack Axe is a versatile 2-pound camping axe featuring a 24-inch curved American hickory handle and a premium leather sheath for portability. It excels at chopping, splitting, carving, shaving, and fire starting, making it ideal for campers, hikers, and bushcrafters. The hand-sharpened edge delivers precision and cutting efficiency, while the hardened pole doubles as a hammer for driving stakes. Built for durability and balance, this pack axe offers strength and comfort for extended outdoor use. Every adventurer needs a reliable, all-in-one tool that's ready for any challenge on the go. Introducing the Willock Multi-Tool Pocket Knife, a compact 9-in-1 multi-tool designed for versatility, combining a pocket knife, scissors, double-sided file, saw, bottle opener, can opener, glass breaker, and belt clip in one durable gadget. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, it resists rust and sweat corrosion, ensuring long-term performance. Its ergonomic design ensures a secure, comfortable grip, ideal for camping, hiking, or everyday use. With its portable size and belt clip for easy carry, this multi-tool is a practical choice for outdoor enthusiasts and makes a perfect stocking stuffer or gift for men. Reliable hands-free lighting is essential for outdoor activities in low-light conditions. The BioLight headlamp delivers ultra-bright 800 lumens with USB rechargeable convenience and 8 versatile light modes, including red and white settings for varied visibility. Its patented 3D slim-fit design integrates electronics into the band for a well-balanced, non-slip fit that stays cool and comfortable. The constant hold mode maintains full brightness without dimming, crucial for technical terrain. It features a reserve mode offering 8 extra hours of light and a pass-through charging cable to extend run times. Weather-resistant and engineered for durability, this headlamp is perfect for hiking, camping, and any demanding nighttime task. When starting a fire in the wild or in emergencies, reliability and portability are essential. Introducing the Forest Fundamentals Ferro Rod, an ultra-compact fire-starting tool designed for bushcraft, camping, and survival. CNC machined from high-grade anodized aluminum, it features a tungsten carbide striker that produces powerful sparks and resists wear. Its replaceable nanoferrocerium rod strikes the perfect balance between softness and durability for efficient ignition. The kit includes spare rubber seals, a keychain coil, and an 800 mm survival lanyard with copper wire, fishing line, waxed jute, and paracord. Waterproof, lightweight, and built for everyday carry, it's ideal for outdoor adventures and emergency preparedness alike.